welcome back to Cuz's Garage, where we do the same shit over and over again. Alright, here we go. And I thought I was over this. It's a bit hard to tell, but you can kind of see the rust in that port. I've rubbed the marks off there. But there's a crack in the driver's side head, all the bits off, of course. And now, I wonder if I can get it on film. See the crack? Yep, head and block. Beautiful. So it's now Sunday night. Not next weekend, the weekend after is a comp, and I go away the Thursday before. So this is going to be fun. I've got about 11 days, and that's not including postage time to get parts. So, well, let's just get this done. Alright, cut to Tuesday, and I'm slightly over my emo mood from my failed motor. Alright, so first of all, shout out to my JJ. He gave me this motor a little while ago. Actually, he has probably one of the most mint sounding cars. I'll cut to a footage of it here. Headphone users, turn it down. Awesome, innit? I love that sound. Alright, so this came out of his daily wagon. I know it's a good motor. So, plan of attack, or attack of a plan. I'm going to strip it down, pull the heads off, check the bottom end bearings, new Mellings oil pump, new everything throughout as much. Rings, bearings, gaskets, head studs, all that kind of gear, or head bolts, not rich. And we're going to put it in. Now it is Tuesday. I am sick as can be. And I have to be on the boat for another long story. But, you know, an overbooking of a holiday and a burnout comp, which involves me flying back. It's going to be fun. Anyway, if we don't get to succeed, there's always plan B. This beautiful beast is my wife's burnout car. So how much my wife does burnouts? Actually, she's here. Yeah, she's pretty good. It's good fun. I always encourage chicks to get in and have a crack. It's good fun sport. It teaches you a lot about driving. As you can see, she likes to plumb the belts too. Alright, so let's get cracking. And out. Alright, balls look good. There's no excessive glazing, any of that. Next, it's Wednesday morning. Alright, motor's ready to come out. Let's do a couple of bolts. New motor up here. Alright, so that's how to clean up, flex hone. It's a bit hard to tell on camera. I can't get the pulley off because I broke my bolt in the last one I did. The pistons and rings are in here, having a float in some secret sauce. Cleans them up nice, and these are pretty much looking a lot better. These still need a high pressure wash, but you can actually see, how good's that? You can see that where it wasn't submerged and where it was. These valve springs have come off anyway because I'm using Crow 105 pound valve springs, which are one step up from factory. I figure while I got the heads off, might as well do that as well. Wednesday morning. Alright, managed to get a couple of hours in. Look at that. Isn't it disgusting? Oh, there must have been so much water in there. I guess the problem with having a massive cooling system capacity, you end up with massive amounts of water. Alright, surface prep. This is a cheap eBay oil stone. Just using engine oil as lubricant, and literally just, you can hear it slightly working away, which will eventually get you to that, to this. Alright, so this works pretty well. For a home method, it's probably the best you're going to get. You get a pretty good finish. Now, I always say if you're going to do a head gasket on a car, get the heads planed. That's a no-brainer. But when you're doing this, keep in mind this came from a running car and it was a running engine. So we know that these gaskets are going to be pretty good. And we know that it's going to mate up pretty well. So that's your basic. That's why I always start with a good motor, then build it, if anyone's wondering. Alright, so next job. Well, hello. It's now Friday morning. Alright, so we got the old motor on the ground. Have a look at the crap in it. Ugh, it's disgusting. Alright, so ARP rod bolts to come out. Also notice flywheel bolts are all still there. Alright, over here we have my pistons in the sauce. Now, there's no secret this is, it's just degreaser, literally. So, look at that. These pistons were dead black. We're at the starting point of rebuild kit. So, new valve springs. Now, someone can't read the freaking messages. Ordered big ends and mains, got mains, which sucks really bad because it's Friday now. I rang around last night everywhere, no one had them in stock, so I can't get them till Monday. Issue with this is I'm on the boat to the mainland on Thursday, so I have parts still waiting that aren't here that are going to be due Monday. So I need to work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, obviously, put the car together after work, so I won't get time to run it in and have it ready. But anyway, cars are always fun. Melling's oil pump, essential part for building a Combi 6, in my opinion. Rings and bearings. It's Sunday morning, it's freezing, and I have oil in my pants. Alright, so I'm doing the oil pump currently. So if you never put an Ecotec apart, obviously that's your front crank. It's your cam chain. This one, I was really surprised. There's pretty much zero wear on that. I've actually had one wear through, one break. So it's the usual standard replacement. So that one's been replaced. Well, this motor hasn't done that many Ks. All right. On a side note, $20 tool. And it's a torch. And it charges by USB. It's the best. Looking again, there actually is quite a bit of wear. You see him just about there, and there. Definitely due for, well, probably not due for replacement, but we go. Parts jacuzzi. You don't have to do on top of the flywheel bolts to M10, but it helps. Skip a few steps and we're in. Alright guys, sorry about the lack of content here. Became a massive rush job to get it all done. Got it done with 45 minutes to spare. So, here's some skids. That's a brand new motor on the road. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. That run actually got me first place, which puts me first place in the championship. Alright, thanks for watching.